All right, so check out today's video. Today's video, we're gonna just familiarize my kids with the fly rod, putting it together and just kind of feeling the line. And you'll see in this video, you know, my method of teaching my kids. And you know, I'm not throwing them into it, you know, yelling at them or anything, just kind of letting them do their own thing. Just so they don't get turned off to the fly fishing thing. And you know, I've been just giving them little doses of fly fishing experience here and there, and let's see the results over the course of a year, 2 years, see how good they get. So yeah, man. Yeah, what is it?
Oh, this is not good. This is over.
Yeah, go for it. Feel when you hold it, in front of you is on the left side, okay? When you put it in there, on the bottom.
This is a long thing.
Over here. There's a groove right there. Okay. Now, when you put on, like this is the right hand, right? So we're gonna switch it around. Here. Then you push this up and then you tighten it. Okay? Not all of you have dots on it. So you just line up the dots. It's a ready thing. No? So this is gonna face down to here. This is down.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so your reels. You need a reel to line it all up too. Okay? So this reel has to be on the left side.
So how do I... Oh.
And you see these grooves over here? You put in these grooves, bring this down.
Oh, to make it fit.
Okay?
Oh.
Just like that.
And then, oh.
And then you're gonna bring it up like this. And you're gonna tighten it. Okay? Tighten this one, and then tighten this one.
You're just doing it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what you do. Let's see what you do. Okay, that's good. Now, you got it, son? Okay, so check this out. Right here is the drag of the reel. Okay? This is gonna see if it goes like super fast out or super slow. Okay?
Is it supposed to be like
Yeah. This drag like this. Like this shot right here. It's been used a few times. There's no drag on this. Oops. Good reel. Perfect. Okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna string it up. Cut right here. So it's stuck against the drag. Okay, what we're gonna do is pull a bunch of this out. You wanna, when you go through the eyes, you wanna use the fly line. This is the fly line. Okay? So you're gonna go to the first one. Second one. Like you bend the fly line.
Yeah. I remember you talking.
I did, yeah? So go ahead and finish it. So bend the rod. Yeah. Go that way so you can reach the rest. No, you don't have to do that. Like this. Because you're pulling one side, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Wait, so which I'm pulling?
No, so you have an extra line here, right? So you pull this side, it comes, this is the loose end. So there's two sides. So you can feed it all the way through, so keep going.
I'm bored. Can I use it? Wait, how is not going to get tough? That's hot.
Yeah.
Do you? It's just touching it and then it's messing up the thing. It's just holding it.
Yeah, I'm watching. Just finish.
Can you watch it?
Cool. No, go from there. Here. There they go. All the way. Alright, so what we're doing right now is just familiar ourselves up with the rod. Yeah. And take out a little bit of line, push it out a little bit. Okay. Just like that. All you're doing is just getting line up, picking it up, and then just throwing it. That's all you're doing. Nothing more than that. So check this out. Look, look. Ilya. Watch, I'm bringing it in. I'm gonna pull line out, okay? And all I'm gonna do is pick it up and throw it out. Look where my hand is. Okay, start again. I pulled out a bunch of line. Here we go. Okay, look at my hand. It's closer to this, right? All I'm doing is picking it up and throwing it forward and letting go. Picking it up and throwing it forward. Wait, hold on, you need the fly line out. So you got the reason why you hold up here is because you don't want to move the fly line here. Grab the fly line. Pull it. Yeah, right there. Good. Right here. So pick it up. Throw it forward. All you're doing.
Hold it and so you don't lose the fly line.
Yeah, you don't want to lose the. So all you're doing is picking it up and throwing it forward. So you're gonna bring in a bunch. Put your finger right there. Bring in a bunch. Right. Remember, bring in a bunch. Okay, from there, you're gonna hold it here. Let go of your finger. Pick it up and throw it forward. That's it. That's all you're doing.
Do I let go when I throw it forward?
That's it. Up. Bring it in again. Remember, so when you're like this, you're gonna here. Okay. See where my finger is?
Oh, and then you're gonna.
Then you're gonna up and then let it go. That's it.
Oh.
You see?
Oh geez, I forgot about that part.
Yeah. No, you don't have to. When you take it out, let go.
Yeah.
Take it out, just your left hand is gonna pull off. Okay? And just put it on the ground.
So when I go like this?
Yeah, yeah. And then you grab this line. And then you remember your finger here? You bring it in at the bottom. Pull that line down. Okay? Okay, stop right there. There you go. Just get familiar with it. That's it. All you're doing is pick it up from there and see if you can get all the line off. Pick it up, throw it back. No. Pick up your line.
Oh.
Just familiar yourself. The wind is helping you get up big. Okay? Okay, let me see. Alright, so this is what I want you guys to do, is kind of get some space between each other. And all you're doing is, I want you to keep it in the air this time. Leave your left hand here. Look, son, left hand is here. And all you're doing is watching the line go back, watching the line go forward. And the idea is you want, look at me, son, wait. You want the line to go straight back and then straight forward. The line, you gotta watch the line. Stop. You gotta wait for it too. Okay, look. I'm watching the line. It goes back and forward. Back, forward, back, forward. Watch it with your eyes. You're not waiting for it, son. You gotta wait for it. Bring it in. Bring it in a little bit. Okay. Bring it in. Yeah. Just keep it in the air. Go sideways to the wind. So right now the wind is coming from a certain direction, right? So if you go straight back at the wind, it's going to bunch up. Straight back. You're going to go sideways. See this? Look at which way I'm going. Angle. See how it goes straight back? See how you're doing this? You don't want that. You want to go straight back and straight forward. So imagine this. This is like, you have to stay on this plane. There you go. It's like you're punching forward and pulling back. Let go a little bit light. Okay? Right. Alright. Sorry, Chris. Are you trying to what is it? Yeah, bring it in, right? Well, yeah, so left hand's gonna be here. Feel the wind behind us like this? Yeah. Okay? So the wind's coming from this way, so we're going sideways to the wind. We're not going straight back at the wind. So here, all you're doing is stopping it. Look at my left hand, it stays here. Right now, this is what you're doing. You don't want to do that, okay? You see how the line, watch the line, goes back, straight back, unfolds all the way, and when it unfolds all the way, I'm going forward, okay? All you're doing is getting used to the fly line and used to the rod. Look where that stops, okay? Go. So one more thing. Right now you're doing this. Okay. Straight back, straight forward. Nope. You're still doing it. Look, it doesn't go like you're doing this. Yeah. You're pulling back, going forward.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
No, you're not. This is what you're doing. Watch. You're doing this. This is a circle this way. You want to go straight back and straight forward. See how the rod is on this one plane?
Oh, I see.
Go. Face pass that way. There you go. Dropping it. Yeah, wait for it now. So you're doing the same thing as before. Bad habit. Face this way. I want you to face this way. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah, don't do this with your body.
I'm not.
You're pushing forward, pulling back. Yeah? Punch forward, punch back. Aim this way. Oh, slow it down. Aim this way. Watch your line go back. Watch your line go forward. Oh, what happened in the other? Okay, go ahead and swing it up in the other. Son, punch.
Yeah.
It's a push and pull.
Are you on track?
You want me in the video? You want me to be the cheerleader?
Ah, there you go. You're getting used to it now, son. Remember, leader. Straight down, straight forward. There you go. That's way better. Nope, not that one. Nope, not that one. You're going like this. You're going straight down, straight forward. Nope. Just go like this. Then pull it back and push it forward. No? Ah, just get used to it. Yeah, idea. Nice. Well, thanks for watching that video. Subscribe, come check us out. You know, we're posting as many videos as we can. Instagram, we do a lot of Instagram, and you know, social media. Let's go. Promoting fly fishing in Hawaii.